if you're doing this mistake on your social media, then you can't complain and say that I'm not able to bring targeted people, like I'm not able to sell offers on my social media. So this is about last week. My client came to me and she said, I have a course, I'm not attracting any people to my social media, I'm not able to sell any my courses. But when I did her social media audit, her check her Instagram, Facebook, she's treating her like a journal page or like personal profiles, personal photos, picturing, and not talking about her offer neither in any of her posts or rather in any stories. Just treating her Instagram story, where most like Instagram story is the best to turn your like offers, sell your offers to your clients. She's not using that, like totally just happy Monday, happy Tuesday. So like how you can expect people get to know you that you have an offer? Because like in general, people needs to see your offer, your course, like at least 7 times before they even make a purchase. Because social media, so many people in your industry, so how are you going to stand out? You have to be consistent with your messaging. You have to talk about your offer, how they're going to help. If you're not talking about your offer, like how it can help your targeted audience, you can't expect that you will get a sale or in your sleep. You need to talk about consistently, anytime on your content, on your stories, whenever you get any time. Make sure you utilize that.